Hi, got another one here for you. 2024 Tri-Glide Ultra in Billiard Gray. Some custom pinstriping, so a little guy up here on the front fender. Also does have a custom stitched seats. Milwaukee 8 114. There's some more custom pinstriping on the tank. Does have cruise control, traction control, Bluetooth and navigation capabilities. Get up on the seat again. So swing around to the rear. Custom stitch up there with the HD bar and shield on the trunk. So come check it out in person. Otherwise, give us a call. 920-498-8822. Thanks. Bye.